I'm here on the main Sukhumvit road in front of this building called Beatniq. Beatniq was constructed in 2018 and it has 34 floors. It's about 400 meters from the Thong Lor BTS station and 700 meters to the Phrom Phong BTS station. This unit is located on the 20th floor of the building. It has 108 square meters, which is 1162 square feet. There are 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The rental price is 130,000 Thai baht monthly, based on a 1-year lease. The price can be negotiated. This condominium comes fully equipped and is ready to move in. Besides the 2 bedrooms, there is also a separate study room. The apartment is facing north, which means there is limited sunshine coming into the room. Both Thong Lor and Phrom Phong are popular expat areas. Thong Lor is well known for its restaurants and nightlife, where the Phrom Phong area is more famous as a shopping district. If you're interested in renting this apartment, feel free to connect with us. Our contact details are on top of this video. You can connect to us with email, WhatsApp or Line. Just let us know what you're looking for and we will be more than happy to help you find your perfect space in Bangkok. At Sukhumvit Homes, we are specialists in high-end apartments in the Sukhumvit and Silom areas.